Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Lisa Barido, 30 years old, single, and living in Barangay Biao, Belbagan, Negros Occidental. I have a brothers and sisters, and I'm the fourth member of the family. I am a graduate high school and vocational TESDA training in cookery. I work in Kuwait as domestic helper since 2019 to 2023. I serve 4 family members, 4 years old and 10 years old. I do cleaning, marketing, and cooking, and washing clothes with ironing, and taking care of the children. I would like to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family needs and the education of my brothers and sisters. Please select me, ma'am, as your helper because I am hardworking and responsibility and honest person. I promise, ma'am, to finish my contract and I am much willing to extend my contract as long as you need, ma'am. Thank you. God bless.